everyone, once again welcome back to my channel Love You Zindagi. Ladies, girls, boys, gents out there, today I'm going to talk about something very interesting, irrespective of your gender and age, at least age above 8 years, and so we all are going to get benefit from that. So without doing a further delay, let's start the video. So today in Love You Zindagi, I'm going to talk about sunscreen lotion. Yes, you can see I have so many sunscreen lotions with me. ठीक है, अगर आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में या फैमिली मेम्बर्स में कोई ऐसा बंदा या बंदी है जो कि कहता है कि सनस्क्रीन लोशन इज़ no way or no point of using it, please ditch that kind of friend and start using sunscreen lotion from today itself or from now itself. Forget about getting a various expensive face product for a glass skin, like a Korean products from abroad, like America, Canada, Australia, to try to change your face appearance and look. Everything you have to do as per the need, like the way you give protection to your body, making a home which is a solid concrete, foolproof, which saves us from nature, from thief. Same way you have to protect your skin if by doing a normal rituals by day in and day out. Nowadays, even a small kids from the old age senior citizens, each one of us know what is the importance of using sunscreen lotions and what is this harm we can do if we are not using the sunscreen lotions. If you are not aware, please, we all are available with a finger click in the social media. Google कर लीजिए और उसमें देख लीजिए सनस्क्रीन लोशन यूज़ करने के क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स हैं. तो चलिए मैं दिखाती हूँ मेरे पास कितनी सारी सनस्क्रीन लोशंस हैं. You won't believe I have many, and I have to shoot this video, so I kept it just like that without trashing it into the dustbin, so that I can make and whatsoever I have available with me in my home, I can show it to you all. So चलिए देखते हैं मेरे पास कौन कौन सी वैरायटी के सनस्क्रीन लोशंस हैं. एंड हेयर आई हैव सेड दैट कि इवन द kids can use sunscreen lotion. Yes, these days even whatsoever we are eating it for a nutrition value or for a balanced diet, you know that how chemically impacted that is, right? कितने सारे insecticide, pesticide, water itself becomes so dirty is using for irrigation. तो जो हम अंदर लेते हैं वो ही इतना शुद्ध नहीं है. तो just imagine about stepping outside from our home and exposing our face, our body in front of the sun. So climate has changed, everything has changed, right? If you want to be healthy, glowing, without any blemishes, dark spots on your face, and then going into the depression and then losing your confidence, please open up your eyes, go to the Google, click, search, read about sunscreen lotion and start using it. It should be your day-to-day rituals to use sunscreen lotion. आप जिंदगी में सारी चीज़ें भूल जाइए पर सनस्क्रीन लोशन का इस्तेमाल करना भूल के भी मत भूलिए और उसको हमेशा याद रखिए. So let's begin with sunscreen lotion. There you go. Now you can see so many of it in my video. And I keep trying different one each month, except Thrive, which I have used from last 2 months and I'm using it still. Especially with us ladies and girls out there, if you want to look always young, have a glowing skin and have a clear face, and of course don't want to get wrinkles and age quickly and fast, sunscreen lotion is must to use it, irrespective whether you are staying inside, indoor, at the comfort of your AC, at home or office, or stepping outside wandering around in open area. और जो कहते हैं ना, ये आपसे ज्ञान शेयर करते हैं कि केवल बाहर निकलते वक्त ही सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करना है. प्लीज डोंट लिसन टू देम एट ऑल. एज सुन एज यू get up, don't forget to wash your face, use moisturizer and apply sunscreen lotion all over your face. और जब भी आप सनस्क्रीन लोशन इस्तेमाल करें, make sure have a 1/4 teaspoon of sunscreen lotion and apply it all over your face, neck, front neck, back neck, behind your ears. And these days we are getting a sunscreen SPF body lotion as well. So before you will wear your clothes, cover your body, make sure apply that body lotion sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to 40 for body, nicely all over your body, and then step out. चलिए अब मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ हाउ टू अप्लाई सनस्क्रीन लोशन ऑल ओवर योर फेस. मैंने अच्छी तरह से आपको दिखाया था. 1/4 टीस्पून आपको लेना है और दोनों हाथों के बीच में रब करना है. दिस इज द वे आई यूज इट. और हमेशा याद रखिए, वेन एवर यू आर अप्लाइंग इट, यू हैव टू मूव योर हैंड्स अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन, राइट. जैसे आपके घर में पार्लर वाली आती है एंड शी गिव द फेशियल मसाज, यू रिलैक्स फॉर योर क्लीन अप, सेम वे अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में होना चाहिए. कानों में लगाइए और नेक पे भी अच्छी तरह से हाथों का मूवमेंट अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन करिए और आंखों के चारों तरफ सर्कुलर मोशन सेंटर से बाहर की तरफ लाइए. इससे आपका फेशियल मसाज भी हो जाएगा. टिल द टाइम यू फील लाइक sunscreen is still there on top layer of your facial skin, you have to do that until unless it's absorbed inside your face. बैक में और हाथों का मूवमेंट ऑलवेज either upward direction or circular motion. Now let me show you all what all brand sunscreen lotion I have with me. So you can see that this is VLCC water resistant sunscreen gel and cream. There I have sunscreen lotion for kids. It says SPF 20 plus cream, and this is by the brand Fix Derma. So there you go. We get sunscreen lotion for kids also these days. It's been from past 4 to 5 years I have noticed we start getting a sunscreen lotion for kids. If it's before that also, I'm not aware about. For today, only this much information I believe is good to share. If you want the part 2 to know about each and everything about the sunscreen lotion, like why it's SPF 50 plus, why it is SPF 50 plus and things like that. What is the difference between normal one and the tinted one? Do let me know in the comment below. Hope this video is going to open up your eyes about sunscreen lotion, and now onwards you are going to start taking care of yourself. और वैसे भी मैं हमेशा अपने वीडियो में कहती हूँ ना, एक ही ज़िंदगी मिलती है, तो वाई नॉट टू लुक आफ्टर आवर सेल्फ एज वेल. जब हम अंदर से और बाहर से खुश रहेंगे, हैप्पी रहेंगे, तभी तो हम अपने लव्ड वंस का ध्यान रख सकते हैं. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर मी टू से गुड बाय. टाटा. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if this video is going to benefit you, help you in a long way. जल्दी मिलती हूँ आपसे अपने अगले वीडियो में. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay fit. And as I always say in the video of Love You Zindagi, don't forget to spread your beautiful smile and positivity around you. Bye bye.